Hey everyone, welcome back to TechTeam. These must-have car accessories enhance safety, convenience, and style. Ready to upgrade your ride? Let's dive in. One, Mirror Dashcam. The Mirror Dashcam is a high-tech device that combines multiple functionalities to enhance your driving experience. With 1080p video quality, it provides clear and detailed recordings of your journeys. The built-in 4G internet, Wi-Fi, and GPS capabilities allow for seamless connectivity and real-time navigation. Operating on an Android system with a user-friendly touchscreen, this dashcam supports various applications, making it a multifunctional tool. It also includes a rear-view camera, which aids in safer parking and reversing. This comprehensive system not only records your drives, but also provides additional safety and convenience features. Two, Secret Wheel Bolts. Secret wheel bolts are an essential security feature for any vehicle, designed to protect your wheels from theft. These bolts are triple chrome-plated to prevent corrosion, ensuring they remain durable and effective. Available in different sizes, they can be tailored to fit various vehicles. The set includes adapters and plastic plugs, making installation straightforward and secure. By using these anti-theft bolts, you can have peace of mind knowing that your wheels are protected when your vehicle is parked outside. This simple yet effective security measure is a must-have for any car owner concerned about theft. 3. Rubber Bumper Guard. The rubber bumper guard is designed to protect your vehicle's rear bumper from scratches and minor impacts. It is attached using 3M Scotch tape, which provides a strong and reliable bond. Measuring 40.9 by 3.5 inches, this guard covers a substantial area of the bumper, offering effective protection. Its flexible material conforms to the contours of your bumper, ensuring it fits properly. By preventing damage during cargo loading and unloading, this bumper guard helps maintain the aesthetic appearance and value of your vehicle. 4. Battery Charger. First off, we have the battery charger, which is an essential tool for ensuring that your vehicle starts and charges reliably, regardless of weather conditions or the current state of the battery. It features a clear display that shows the state of charge, allowing you to monitor the charging progress. Once the battery reaches full charge, the charger automatically shuts off to prevent overcharging. This device offers an adjustable current supply, providing flexibility for different battery types and conditions. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the battery charger is designed to withstand harsh conditions and deliver long-lasting performance. 5. LED Headlights. These LED headlights are a versatile lighting solution that can be used as additional and main lighting for your vehicle. Known for their brightness, these lights significantly enhance visibility on the road, making night driving safer. They are also highly economical, consuming less power than traditional headlights while offering a longer service life. And because they are suitable for various car models, these headlights are an excellent upgrade for those looking to improve their vehicle's functionality and aesthetic appeal. 6. Cup Holder Light. The cup holder light is a small yet impactful accessory that adds a unique touch to your car's interior. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle, but also serves a practical purpose by illuminating the cup holder area during nighttime drives. This light is powered by your car's onboard network, ensuring it is always ready to use without the need for frequent recharging. It also offers customizable color options, allowing you to personalize the lighting to match your car's interior or mood. The installation is as simple as placing the light in the standard cup holder, making it an easy upgrade for any vehicle. 7. Electric Trunk Actuator. The electric trunk actuator is a fantastic upgrade that adds functionality and a unique touch to your car. This device includes all the necessary components, actuators, an electronic control unit, power cables, and other essential accessories. By installing this system, you can effortlessly open and close your trunk with the push of a button, enhancing convenience and ease of use. This feature is especially useful when your hands are full or during bad weather. It also sets your car apart, adding a modern, high-tech feel that differentiates it from standard vehicles. 8. Door Auto Speed Lock. The door auto speed lock is a safety device that enhances the security of your vehicle by automatically locking and unlocking the doors based on your car's speed. Once plugged into the vehicle, it reads the vehicle's speed from the electronic control unit. When your car reaches 9 miles per hour, the doors automatically lock, providing extra security, especially useful if you often carry children. When you turn off the engine, the doors unlock, allowing easy exit. This device offers peace of mind and ensures an additional layer of safety without any manual effort. 9. Welding Magnet. A welding magnet is an essential tool for anyone involved in vehicle welding or metalwork. This accessory holds materials securely in place, allowing for precise and efficient welding. Depending on the model, it can support weights ranging from 24 pounds to 75 pounds, making it versatile for different welding tasks. Its strong magnetic force ensures that your materials stay put, reducing the risk of misalignment. By providing stability and accuracy, the welding magnet helps improve the quality of your welds and speeds up the welding process, making it a valuable addition to any car workshop. 10. Hammer Puller Set. The hammer puller set is specifically designed for the efficient dismantling of various types of bearings. It includes 8 extractors of different sizes and a sturdy reverse hammer, all made from durable steel. To use, you simply screw the appropriate extractor onto the puller, insert it into the bearing, and tighten the nut to expand the extractor. The reverse hammer allows you to pull out the bearing with a few swift blows, minimizing the risk of damage. This set is a practical and reliable tool for mechanics, ensuring quick and safe bearing removal. 11. Headlight Sealant. The headlight sealant is an effective solution for sealing headlights and other structural components of your car. Available as a tape, it measures 0.79 inches wide, 0.08 inches thick, and 126 inches long. Installing the sealant is straightforward. Cut it to the desired length. Remove the protective tape on both sides and apply it to the area needing sealing. This tape provides a durable seal that prevents moisture and debris from entering, ensuring the longevity and performance of your headlights. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your vehicle's lighting system. 12. Replacement Key Fob Case. The replacement key fob case is ideal for those who need to replace a damaged or failed original device or are installing a new alarm system. This case includes all necessary control buttons and a throwout key, making it a comprehensive solution. It ensures that you maintain full functionality of your key fob without the expense of replacing the entire unit. The case is designed to match various alarm systems, providing a seamless fit and easy installation. With this replacement, you can restore the convenience and security features of your key fob, ensuring reliable performance. 13. Collapsible Bucket. The collapsible bucket is a highly practical accessory for outdoor enthusiasts and campers. With a capacity of 2.65 gallons, it offers ample space for various tasks, from carrying water to washing dishes. Its compact design allows it to be easily folded and stored in a trunk or backpack, making it convenient for travel and outdoor activities. While versatile and durable, it is important to note that this bucket is not intended for flammable liquids, ensuring safety during use. Its portability and ease of use make it a valuable tool for any outdoor adventure. 14. Faux Leather. Faux leather is an excellent material choice for car interior trim, offering a stylish and durable alternative to genuine leather. Available in 20 different colors and shades, it allows for a high degree of customization to match or enhance your vehicle's interior. The material is 0.05 inches thick and comes in sections sized at 39 inches by 53 inches, providing sufficient coverage for various parts of your car's interior. This synthetic leather is finished manually, ensuring high-quality craftsmanship and a refined look. It combines aesthetic appeal with practicality, making it a popular choice for car enthusiasts. 15. Tuned Headlights. The tuned headlights are a fantastic upgrade for any vehicle, significantly enhancing appearance and lighting quality. These headlights offer various options to improve light output, ensuring better visibility during nighttime and adverse weather conditions. They not only provide superior illumination, but also add a stylish and modern look to your car. With several design choices available, you can select the perfect set to complement your vehicle's aesthetics. Installing tuned headlights is an effective way to increase safety while driving and giving your car a distinctive and attractive appearance. 16. Frameless Wipers. These frameless wipers are a modern and efficient solution for keeping your windshield clear in all weather conditions. Made of high-quality natural rubber, these wipers are available in sizes ranging from 14 inches to 26 inches, making them compatible with most vehicles. Their design ensures a tight fit to the glass, providing excellent cleaning performance without damaging the surface. These wipers are long-lasting and maintain their effectiveness over time, offering reliable performance. Their flexible design also helps reduce aerodynamic drag, making them a practical and stylish addition to any car. 17. Thermal insulation tape. The thermal insulation tape is a valuable accessory for insulating engine manifolds in cars and motorcycles. This tape helps reduce the temperature under the hood by retaining heat within the exhaust pipes, improving overall engine efficiency. Measuring 5 meters in length, 5 centimeters in width, and 1.5 millimeters in thickness, it provides ample coverage for most applications. The tape comes with 10 stainless steel cable ties for secure installation. It not only protects the engine components, but also prevents heat-related damage to surrounding parts, making it an essential tool for maintaining optimal engine performance. 18. DRL with turn signals. Daytime running lights, or DRL, with integrated turn signals offer a dual function that enhances safety and aesthetics. These lights improve your vehicle's visibility during the day while clearly indicating your turning intentions to other drivers. Available in different sizes and colors, such as white and yellow or blue and yellow, they can be customized to fit various car models. Installation requires headlight disassembly, but the result is a seamless integration that significantly improves your car's look and functionality. 19. 70 MAI Pro Video Recorder. The 70 MAI Pro Video Recorder is an advanced DVR designed to capture high-quality footage with its 5-megapixel camera, offering a resolution of 2592 by 1954 pixels. It features a 2-inch LCD screen for easy viewing and playback. Equipped with GPS, Wi-Fi, and the ADAS system, this recorder provides real-time data and connectivity, enhancing your driving experience. The anti-fog algorithm ensures clear recordings even in challenging weather conditions. With its wide-angle lens, the 70 MAI Pro covers a broad field of view, making it an essential tool for documenting your journeys and ensuring safety on the road. 20. Digital Micrometer. The digital micrometer is a precision instrument designed to measure the minimum and maximum values with an accuracy of 0.001 millimeter. It features a large LCD screen that displays the measurements clearly, making it easy to read and use. The device comes in a plastic box for secure storage and includes a calibration key to maintain accuracy. This micrometer is suitable for professional and amateur use, providing reliable and precise measurements for various applications. 21. License Plate Bracket. The license plate bracket is a durable and practical accessory designed to protect your license plate and provide mounting points for additional optics such as running lights or fog lights. Made from stainless steel, it is resistant to corrosion and suitable for use on off-road vehicles. This bracket can be installed in the standard license plate mounting locations without requiring additional holes. Its robust construction ensures that your license plate and any attached accessories remain secure, even in harsh conditions, making it a reliable addition to your vehicle. 22. Rear Shelf Holders. These rear shelf holders are a practical accessory specifically designed for Volkswagen Golf GTI, Rabbit, and other hatchback models. These holders come with sturdy straps and decorative elements that make trunk loading and unloading significantly easier. By securely holding the trunk shelf, they prevent it from falling or shifting when the trunk is opened. This not only protects the items stored in your trunk, but also enhances the overall convenience of accessing your storage space. The simple yet effective design of these holders makes them a valuable addition to any hatchback, providing both functionality and a touch of style. 23. Push-Button Start Kit. The Push-Button Start Kit is a convenient upgrade for any vehicle, allowing the engine to be started with a simple push of a button. The kit includes all the necessary components for installation, making it easy to add this modern feature to your car. Designed to enhance convenience, the push-button start eliminates the need to insert and turn a key in the ignition. This kit not only provides a sleek and contemporary look, but also improves the ease of starting your vehicle, offering a blend of style and functionality. 24. Car Hood Stops. Car hood stops are gas struts designed to make opening and holding your car's hood easy and effortless. These stops are suitable for most cars and come in various lengths and lifting weights to match different hood sizes and weights. They are easy to install with minimal modification needed, providing a stable and reliable solution for holding the hood open during maintenance or inspections. By replacing manual hood props, these gas hood stops offer a modern upgrade that enhances the convenience and safety of accessing your engine bay. 25. Foam Cannon. The foam cannon is a powerful tool that revolutionizes the car washing experience. It features a container for mixing cleaning liquids, allowing you to create the perfect foam for thorough cleaning. The intensity of the foam flow can be easily adjusted, giving you control over the amount and consistency of foam applied to your vehicle. This flexibility ensures that you can tackle all types of dirt and grime effectively. The foam cannon also connects to the carter body with a simple adapter, making it easy to use with various pressure washers. So, which of these car gadgets caught your eye? Are you excited to upgrade your driving experience with these innovative tools? Comment below, and until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.